Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel Blushing Paper and wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. On this auspicious day, I'll be taking the reference of our tricolor flag and making something with that with watercolor. Here we go with pouring out the colors from the tube. I have taken titanium white, orange, Viridian hue and ivory black. We need 2 batches of water, one for cleaning the brush and one for wetting the brush. So here I am diluting my color to make it gradient and soft to make it flow over our paper. After taking water in the brush, I'll wet all my paper. This technique is similar to wet on wet technique. Tilting our paper upwards, the paint will start flowing. If you are making the watercolor painting, make sure your hand goes in a straight way or in a vertical way. Your hand shouldn't go zigzag way because it will destroy all your painting. After drying up the first layer, I'll apply the second layer of the watercolor so that our results may be bright and attractive. To blend the color at the junction of two colors, we need titanium white. This process is just at the junction of the colors doesn't appear too awkward. Taking the round brush of 4 mm, we will draw the crops, small crops and hummingbird, just to make our painting more attractive. For your suitability, you can draw with pencil the hummingbirds and the crops with very light handed so that it cannot appear after. Here we are done with our crops and now we'll move towards our sun. Taking titanium white, I'll draw a small circle just to appear like a sun. After putting out the masking tape, we are done with our work. We put masking tape just to give our painting a perfect border. Our results are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video with your near and dear ones, also with all the drawing lovers. Hit like and leave behind your precious comments. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified for my all the videos. This is our final result. Until my next video, stay blushy blushy.